An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 24, verse 28 up to 31. Rebecca ran straight home and told her family everything. Her brother Laban heard her tell what the servant had said, and he saw the ring and the bracelet she was wearing. So Laban ran out to Abraham's servant, who was standing by his camels at the well. Then Laban said, "The Lord has brought you safely here. Come home with me. There's no need for you to keep on standing outside. I have a room ready for you in our house, and there's also a place for your camels." So, after the encounter of the servant of Abraham and Rebecca immediately went back to her home, and her brother Laban knew the news, and of course Laban welcomed the servant of Abraham toward their house, and of course Laban welcomed the servant of Abraham to their house, and that's what happened.